Have you ever wondered where birds go in winter? As the days get colder, a little bird, start to feel the change. My friends and I gather. It is time to migrate. We fly together, high in the sky, following the warm air. The journey is long and sometimes scary. We face strong winds and rain, but we are strong and brave. We stop to rest and find food along the way. Finally, we arrive in a warm place with trees and insects. At last, we can relax and enjoy. As spring comes, we will return home, carrying stories of our adventure. Migration is hard, but it keeps us alive. Are you ready for an adventure too?